Camden, Maine is a very popular coastal destination this time of year. The small town offers a beautiful harbor with sailing vessels of all kinds, a town filled with 19th century homes and architecture, and a nearby state park, Camden Hill State Park, that offers trails and spectacular views of Penobscot Bay. The Camden downtown area, the High Street Historic District, has boutiques, specialty shops, art galleries, and restaurants galore. The harbor offers cruises. Scotts, New Mexico took one of these this morning. If you like culture, you can visit the public library or go to the Camden Opera House that still has live performances.
And for emergency purposes only. In the event anybody needs to use the facilities, right down these steps to the right-hand side, there is a little flush button toilet. Feel free to use it at your leisure. That is a once-in-a-lifetime experience all in itself right there. Have at it. There's nice paintings to look at while you're down there. Get comfy and cozy.
This particular boat tour in the bay also introduced us to lobsters and lighthouses that will be talked about in a few more video posts. Our 3-hour boat tour was fun and the weather was great. We learned that lobster fishing happens year-round, and there are a few days that lobster men and women don't go out and try to harvest lobsters, crabs, and fish. This bay is one of the jewels of the Maine coast, and along the shores are some expensive homes. The tour we took is offered by the Camden Harbor Cruises, and our boat was the Lively Lady. Our guide was knowledgeable and funny and made the cruise fun and educational. Along the way, we saw seals, seabirds, and a few porpoise, sailboats, lobster boats, and views of the hills surrounding Camden. It was a tour that the family can enjoy.